Most creators think thumbnails are a design task. But thumbnails aren't design. Thumbnails are psychology. Thumbnails are conversion. Thumbnails are visual persuasion at scale. And yet, most creators treat thumbnails as make it look good. That's why most creators fail. Because thumbnails are not about looking good. They are about being clicked. I didn't understand this at first. I used to open Photoshop or Canva, drag text, try colors, export, hate it, redo it, export again, worry if it works, upload it, pray. It was chaos disguised as creativity. And then I had a moment, one of those moments that rewires your operating system forever. I realized, thumbnails are systems. Not art. Not inspiration. Not guessing. Systems. And if thumbnails are systems, then systems can be automated. This is the story of how I stopped designing thumbnails, and how AI now does it for me every single day. The breaking point. It was late. Past midnight. Another video finished. Another timeline exported. Another thumbnail still not done. I had 3 versions open. All of them felt wrong. Too much text. Too little text. Wrong font weight. Not enough contrast. No emotional pull. It looked good, but nothing inside me believed anyone would click it. And then the thought hit me. If my thumbnail isn't compelling, nothing else matters. I could have the best storytelling, best editing, best sound design, best packing. But if the thumbnail fails, the video dies before it's born. I remember closing my laptop and saying out loud, I need to stop designing thumbnails. I need to build a thumbnail machine. That was the moment everything changed. Step 1: Decoding click psychology. Before I automated thumbnails, I studied them. I reverse engineered the top channels in AI, business, tech, automation. The AI advantage. Rob Lennon, Matt Wolf, Ali Abdaal, Alex Hormozi, Marks Brownlee, Mr. Beast structure patterns, finance SAS niche thumbnails. And patterns appeared like constellations. Thumbnails that win don't decorate. They communicate fast, ruthlessly. Key behaviors I documented. Faces with emotion or faceless tech identity. 2 4 words max. Huge font weight. 1 emotional idea. Contrast like a weapon. 1 visual subject, not chaos. Framing that forces the eye. Light right arrow, dark gradients. Punchy brand palette. Tech glow for AI niche. Symbols, brain gear, robot face collision, high voltage. And my biggest lesson. Thumbnails aren't made for your ego. They are made for the distracted mind. So I made a rule. If someone scrolling fast won't get it in 0.4 seconds, redo it. Step 2: AI BCOMES, the art director. I trained ChatGPT on my niche, my tone, my visual identity, my color language, my past thumbnails, click psychology notes, successful competitor breakdowns, thumbnail script formulas. I gave it a job title. You are my thumbnail creative director. And I gave it a task. Generate 10 thumbnail text concepts plus a motion driver plus visual composition directions every morning. Not ideas. Creative briefs. And suddenly, I didn't create thumbnails anymore. I chose them. Step 3: AI DSGNS I approve. Then I automated visual creation. Midjourney / Stable Diffusion for base images. Runway for motion sequences when needed. CapCut / Photoshop templates for layout. Templates included white heavy checkmark fixed font plus weight, white heavy checkmark fixed text shadow, white heavy checkmark fixed glow color, white heavy checkmark subject framing guides, white heavy checkmark contrast boost layer, white heavy checkmark noise texture filter, white heavy checkmark 16:9 grid alignment, white heavy checkmark neon accent stroke, white heavy checkmark fallback version without face, white heavy checkmark face reaction optional layer. Instead of art, I had reproducible systems. I don't design thumbnails anymore. I feed inputs into a pipeline. The system creates 6 variations. I pick one. Done. Step 4: Automated MULTIVARIATION AB. Zapier plus Google Drive plus Notion track version performance. Every published thumbnail teaches the system. Top performing language goes into a library. Worst performers get flagged. AI analyzes retention plus CTR patterns. Outputs new templates. This isn't design. It's evolution. Machines create. Machines measure. I choose direction. I don't produce thumbnails. I run a thumbnail lab. The psychological shift. People think automation is about time. No. Automation is about identity shift. Before automation, I was a creator. Now, I operate like a founder of a creative AI studio. I don't move pixels. I direct intelligence. I don't chase inspiration. I engineer outcomes. I don't hope for performance. I design probability. That's the difference. The future belongs to creative ARCHIECTS. Some creators fear AI. They think it will replace them. But AI doesn't replace creators. AI replaces manual creators. The ones who cling to effort. The ones who refuse evolution. The ones chained to timelines and Canva panic sessions. Creators who understand systems. Creators who build automation pipelines. Creators who operate like engineers, not laborers. They don't get replaced. They get amplified. Final. You don't succeed by doing more. You succeed by doing less, better, repeatedly, automatically. You don't win by editing faster. You win by building a world where you rarely edit. You don't become powerful by pushing harder. You become powerful by engineering leverage. This is not the future. This is the present for people who see it. And if you're here, you see it. Subscribe. We build systems here. Not dreams. Systems that make dreams inevitable.